Hello everyone, today we are going to solve this math. X square minus x cube equals to 36. Then what is the value of x? Solution is x square minus x cube minus 36 equals to 0. Next, x square minus x cube, we can replace the 36. We can replace 36, 27 plus 9 equals to 0, because we know that 27 equals to 3 cube and 9 equals to 3 square. X square minus x cube minus 27 minus 9 equals to 0. Next, x square minus 9 minus x cube minus 27 equals to 0. X square 9 equals to 3 square, x cube 27 equals to 3 cube equals to 0. We can write here x cube minus 3 square minus common x cube plus 3 cube. We have to use this formula is here x square minus 3 square. X square minus 3 square or a square minus b square is same. Square minus b square, we know that a plus b into a minus b. And next, x cube plus 3 cube or a cube plus b cube, we use this formula here a plus b into square minus ab plus b square. Replace this formula is here x cube minus x square minus 3 square, x plus 3 into x minus 3, and is here x cube plus 3 cube means x plus 3 into x square minus ab means 3 into x, 3x plus b square means 3 square equals to 0. We can common x plus 3 both side, x plus 3. Here is x minus 3 and is here remaining part is x square minus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. Next, x plus 3 first bracket x minus 3 minus x square plus 3x minus 9 equals to 0, because the sign before the bracket is minus, that's why all signs is changed. X plus 3 x plus 3x 4x minus x square minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12 equals to 0. Next, we know that the product of two number is 0, that's why we can write separately 0. X plus 3 equals to 0 and 4x minus x square minus 12 equals to 0. We can write here x equals to minus 3, and here compare this equation. Compare this equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A equals to minus 1, b equals to 4 and c equals to minus 12. We know that the value of x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Putting this value of A, B, C in this equation. A means minus 1, B means 4. That's why minus 4 plus minus root over 16 minus 4. A means minus 1 and C means minus of 12. And denominator is 2 into minus of 1. Next, x equals to minus 4 plus minus root over 16 plus minus plus minus. We know that the product of three odd number of minus is minus. Product is minus 48 under minus 2. Next, x equals to minus 4 plus minus root over of minus 32 and by minus 2. X equals to, we know that root over of minus 1 equals to I. Minus 4 plus minus root over 32 into root over of minus 1 equals to minus 2. X equals to minus 4 plus minus that 32, we can write 32 equals to root over 16 into 2. That's why we can write 4 root over 2. 4 root over 2 I by minus 2, because we know that root over minus 1 equals to I. Next, common minus 2, numerator denominator minus 2 is 2 plus minus 2 root over 2 I by minus 2. Cancel minus 2. Therefore, the value of x equals to 2 plus minus 2 root over 2 I. We can write this equation x equals to 2 plus 2 root over 2 I and 2 minus 2 root over 2 I. Therefore, the final answer, the value of x equals to minus 3 comma 2 plus 2 root over 2 I and 2 minus 2 root over 2 I. This is the final answer.